hope for, something we aspire towards. And yet, as we begin, we are reminded that peace is not a mere idea, it is a living, breathing presence, shaped quietly through what we do, how we move, and how we come together. A fantastic start by our seniors.
No me compare que yo tengo para comprar la competencia. Yo firmo el movimiento entero con su descendencia. Todos los días voy para arriba y tú te desesperas. Y cada vez que subo un piso tú en la escalera. Todos los demagogos me lo quiten de la vena y como quiera se quieren quedar pegados en la tetera. La calle tiene fuego, la calle tiene falla. No quiera que la tire, la mano la falla. Todo el mundo me quiere, yo tengo los chavos y las mujeres me lo lamen como el hombre del chavo. Hasta los demagogos me dan palo. Tú quieres que te mate a ti o que te mate a palo. Dale queque, dale queque, dale queque.
Just as a diamond gleams, only after careful polishing and precise cleaving, the girls on the field craft the diamond through tireless practice and unwavering attention to detail. This formation is more than a display of symmetry. It is harmony made visible, built patiently, maintained collectively, and strengthened by every act of cooperation.
E aí, stick da senhora, tá vagabundo mesmo, hein, cachorro?
Pode ver o que dá senhor, que ela joga na rua. Pode ver o que dá senhor, que ela joga na rua. Atrás ela joga o cu, frente joga
Your synchronized movements are truly captivating.
Hoje nós te arrasta e te come, e amanhã vai te esquecer. Nós tá com o pau e tchau, nós tá com o pau e tchau, bebê. Nós tá com o pau e tchau, nós tá com o pau e tchau, bebê. Nós tá com o pau e tchau, nós tá com o pau e tchau, bebê. Nós tá com o pau e tchau, nós tá com o pau e tchau, bebê.
With its gleaming precision and steadfast structure, this formation reminds us that unity, care and harmony can endure even under pressure, creating a foundation as resilient and radiant as a diamond itself. As the students form the leaf, they tell us that just as a leaf unfurls gently under the morning sun, So too does peace flourish when nurtured with care, patience and attention. Each leaf is a quiet testament to life itself, delicate yet resilient, rooted in the soil, reaching for the light, a living emblem of growth, renewal and possibility. In its gentle green presence, the leaf reminds us that peace is built on connection, not isolation. This dove formation is a reflection of the dove that glides silently across the morning sky and teaches us that peace moves with quiet grace, gentle, unassuming, yet profoundly present. Peace, like the dove in flight, does not demand attention. It is felt in the calm that follows, in the stillness it leaves behind. Every subtle turn, every effortless rise and descent in this formation teaches us that peace is nurtured through attentiveness and restraint. The dove, timeless and graceful, embodies the very essence of peace in motion, free, gentle and shared by all. As the students exit the field, they pray that their wish of peace be upon you be fulfilled. A thunderous applause for their dedication towards striving for perfection.
dressed in elegant white kimonos, symbolizing purity and calmness. The students hold colorful fans that add vibrance and life to the performance. The four blocks, red, green, yellow and blue, represent diversity in unity. Each color reflects a unique value. Red stands for strength and courage. Green for growth and harmony. Yellow for peace and truth. Blue for stability and trust. In the first formation, the students create their block formation, standing tall and united, showing that even in diversity, there is strength when we stand together. As the music flows, they move gracefully into a circle formation, symbolizing unity, completeness, and the continuous cycle of peace that binds humanity together. The synchronized PT display by our students beautifully reflects our school's message of peace, unity and discipline. As the children move together in perfect harmony, they present not just a PT display, but a powerful symbol of peace and harmony. Finally, the students form a touching and a powerful image. Two hands gently holding the earth. This word peace represents a state of harmony, often broken down to highlight core values. P for persistence in goodness. E for for peace. P for earth's protection. Through synchronized movements, discipline and coordination, our students beautifully convey that peace begins within us and spread outward to the world. They proclaim it loudly through their banner. Let there be peace on earth, and let it start with me. Presenting their message of synchronized ceremony. They truly deserve a clap applause for their phenomenal performance. Make some noise as we welcome classes 3 to 5 for their PT display titled A Tapestry of Togetherness Woven in Peace. PT drill by the students of classes 3 to 5 begins with a grand and energetic entry, instantly capturing our attention. Moving in perfect rhythm, they radiate enthusiasm and discipline. Their movements beautifully reflect the spirit of togetherness and love, while their confident expressions showcase determination and self-belief. Our school, Ramni, has always been a proud torchbearer of peace, spreading the values of harmony, unity, and mutual respect among all.
I was a ghost, I was alone. 두어진 기 속에 Given the throne, I didn't know to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived to love, trying to think we start, but I couldn't know.
What a perfect combination of rhythm and action. The students now showcase their talent through a captivating ribbon drill, creating a mesmerizing display of flow and vibrance. As the ribbons whirl gracefully in the air, they form beautiful patterns that reflect rhythm and coordination. Each movement is executed with precision, highlighting their practice and dedication. The white colors of the ribbon add life and inner striking visual display. This act symbolizes. Let's give a big round of applause for our amazing performers. As they move into a precise formation, SMC, the students create a powerful visual identity. This formation reflects how these young warriors of St. Mary's Convent College are preparing themselves to spread and radiate peace and harmony across the world. St. Mary's Convent College has always nurtured the spirit of peace, guiding students towards harmony and mutual respect. Let's give them a big round of applause for their exemplary display. Finally, they move into a graceful formation, showcasing the symbol of peace, creating a calm and meaningful conclusion. Peace prevails, unites and nurtures humanity beyond all differences.
Be a light, be a star, be a candle in the dark. You can shine like a city on a hill. Give your hand, give your heart, give the very best you are. Be the salt of the earth if you will. You can help and serve somebody you know. Share your light and love wherever you go. For life can be blessed and bright when you choose to be a light.
Incredible job you have made today unforgettable with your phenomenal performance. They truly deserve a thunderous round of applause. For they display the highest virtues of sportsmanship. spirit, for unwavering.
Dear Greece, your strength, teamwork, and determination truly stood out today.
On one side, we have Blue House, a strong and determined team. And on the other, we have Yellows, a team full of energy and spirit.
Plant your feet, stand your ground, and all that will be left is to hear the audience's cheering sound. Best wishes to both the teams.
Tug with might, hearts ignite, together we rise. Claim the fight, Yellow House. You can do it. Pull with might, Yellow House. Pull it hard, pull it tight, Blue House.
Alone we pull, together we soar. Let your house move as one. Congratulations, Blues.
Pull with power and don't let it go, Yellow House. Come on, you can do it, Yellow House. Pull.
This is when determination turns into victory. Let's go, Blues! Congratulations, Blues. You truly showed us.
You fought hard to the very end, Yellows. That's something to be proud of. Dear Yellows, you showed incredible spirit and courage on the field today. So keep it up. What a display of determination, teamwork, and sportsmanship. Whether victorious or not, both houses gave their all, proving that in tug of war, every pull, every shout, and every ounce of effort counts.
Now, it's time to call on the ones who had once ruled this very field. I now request the ex-Ramnites to please come down to the field for the ultimate tug-of-war match between the ex and current Ramnites. And pride through every field and minute, while our student announcers add life to the event with a perfect coordination, clarity, and graceful presentation. Together they represent a team with discipline and true spirit of celebration. So let us welcome them with a huge round of applause as they march forward with elegance, enthusiasm, and pride. they are Komal Mahara, Pavitra Bohra, Ashna Sharma, and Shakshi Bisht. Now I introduce you to our outstanding orchestra. On the synthesizer we have Justine Kaur and Maitreya Joshi. The guitarists are Bhavika Anand and Lakshita Gururani. On the bass drum we have Ishbi Pun, Simran Sayana, Ahana Bhadoria and Janvi Prabhakar. On the bongo we have Prachi Bohra and Namami Rastogi. On the drum kit we have Shrimp Annu and Mani Rastogi. On the harmonica we have Harshika Aswal. On the piccolo and pan flute we have Manasvi Singh. On the sitar we have Ishita Bisht. As this talented team marches back from the field, we see the expression of serenity and pride on their faces for the acclaim they've achieved. Their harmony, confidence, and dedication beautifully reflects the spirit of peace and unity. So please cheer them again with a roaring applause as they've truly been our companions in this electrifying journey.
Every member of the team will contribute their strength, balance, and determination to create something truly remarkable. Each team is a testament to the strength of the human spirit, and as they stand shoulder to shoulder, proving us that greatness is achieved not by individual effort, but by unity, harmony, and peaceful collaboration. So let us all join together in celebrating the spirit of cooperation and camaraderie that defines the human spirit. Let us now see how the Ramniites defy gravity and reach new heights through immense dedication and teamwork. So let's cheer them on as they embark on their exhilarating journey, knowing that no matter the outcome, they have already achieved something truly extraordinary, the power to inspire all of us. company, yet often unaware of the realities beyond it. In front of it rests the earth, a symbol of our shared existence. From it extend flowing strands of empathy, stretching outward in quiet connection, reminding us that we are invisible. At the corner, two blooming flowers begin to unfold a reflection that where empathy exists, hearts open. Behind these masks, emotions are concealed, a laughter that hides pain. And now, as we rotate, we begin to shift, stepping into the reality of another. The masks fall away, revealing the heart that feels and the brain that understands. Because empathy is not just an emotion, it is the bridge between feeling and understanding. Behind the symbols of compassion, hands gently uplifting the heart, reminding us that empathy is not merely about feeling, but supporting too. The world may not change, but the way we see each other does. This was the dream house. Well done, dream house, representing a thought so simple, yet so powerful, that in a world filled with different realities, what truly matters is how we choose to see one another. One moment of patience and years of peace. This ancient proverb serves as the heartbeat of this visual tablet, a profound reminder that peace is not merely the absence of chaos, but the deliberate harvest of patience. In a world conditioned to rush, this arrangement stands as a quiet rebellion, a meditation on the beauty of slowing down, enduring, and allowing things to unfold in their own divine time. At the very core of this installation lies a striking geometric harmony, the central pyramid. The central pyramid represents the present moment, the grounding axis of our lives. The two side pyramids symbolize the dualities we navigate daily, the past and the future, action and rest, giving and receiving. Surrounding this central metaphor are three powerful props. The river symbolizes the surrender required to find peace. It shows us that patience is not passive resignation, but a powerful persistent force that finds a way forward without friction or fury. The hourglass teaches us to reframe our relationship with time, transforming anxiety into a quiet patient trust in the process. The symbol of patience distills the complexities of the hourglass, the rivers and the pyramids into a single, recognizable truth. It stands as a silent vow to remain steady when the world demands haste. This connection illustrated that true peace does not come from escaping the pressures of life, but from patiently binding our scattered experiences to a calm, grounded center. This architecture of stillness, presented gracefully by stage Catherine, invites the observer to pause, take a deep breath, a timeless instrument that never wavers. Just as the compass guides a traveler, integrity guides a human soul to choose honesty over ease. As we gaze on the field, we see the beam balanced, delicate and precise. Just like integrity, not a one-time choice, but a constant act of balance between thought and action. The peacocks on either side of the central pyramid stand tall in authenticity, radiant and unafraid, at the heart of the dawn. As the central pyramid reaches its peak, every shoulder bearing another is a promise. Every hand holding firm is a vow. Saint Teresa doesn't just speak of integrity, they become it. Integrity holds people together. A society, a school, or a family cannot flourish even if one pillar of integrity crumbles. Integrity is exactly that, the courage to be your truest self. Let this image be burned into your memory, because this is what the world looks like when people of character come together, unshakable, unified and upright. Saint Teresa, scaling the heights, built on integrity, bound by integrity and brilliance. As the field breathes in anticipation and the air hums with quiet strength, here comes the Red House, a vision not just of power, but of peace, harmony and balance. They represent harmony in their spirit. Saint Agnes tells the world that they not only believe in staying true to the end, but also to themselves and to their community. Presenting the central pyramid, crowned by the timeless symbol of yin-yang, a gentle reminder that day cannot exist without night, that light finds meaning in darkness. On either side, the graceful lotuses bloom, rising with quiet dignity. Born from the depths of muddy water, they remind us that even in the most difficult circumstances, beauty can rise, purity can prevail, and peace can blossom. A glimpse of mandala appears, simple yet meaningful, reminding us that peace begins within. Above, the pole star shines steady, a quiet guide in the vast sky, reminding us that even in change, peace remains constant. In front, a flock of birds take form, soaring together in perfect synchrony. No leader, no follower, just unity in motion. They echo a powerful truth that harmony.
Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is the progress. Working together is success. Now we see the Ramnites getting ready for the grand show, which is a testament of teamwork and collective efforts, a true feature of Ramnites. If everyone is moving together, then surely success will take care of itself. And today, we will all see it on the field. Though they belong to 4 different houses as competitors, yet we see them setting aside all the differences and coming together as one to attain something bigger, the grand finale. We see the side pyramids as 3 small lotuses and the central pyramid as a bigger lotus. The lotus is a profound symbol of peace, spiritual enlightenment and resilience, representing the ability to rise above adversity and maintain purity. Much like it looms spotless from murky waters, the boundary here represents unity, which is one of the most important features of teamwork. Unity becomes strength when there is teamwork and collaboration. The students harmonize together and peacefully bestow their greetings on this special occasion. This was an impressive show of collaboration, trust, faith and unity.
Third position is secured by Priyanshi Bisht with 95%. Fourth position is secured by Apurva Joshi with 91.80%. Fifth position is secured by Lakshita Gururani with 91.60%. And the sixth position is secured by two students, Ekta Chaudhary and Ishita Joshi with 91%.
Just be here. Just be here.
For class 12, ISC 2026, total 64 students appeared for the board exams and all passed with distinction. The toppers for ISC 2026 are as follows. First position is secured by Aslesha Shah with 98.75% and scored a perfect score of 100 out of 100 in history. Second position is secured by Yugantika with 98% and scored a perfect score of 100 out of 100 in physics. Third position is secured by Bhumika Gangola with 96.75%.